The tribunal finds that in the present case the appropriate method to be applied for delimiting the exclusive economic zone and the continental shelf between Bangladesh and Myanmar is the equidistance, irrelevant circumstances method. In applying this method to the drawing of the delimitation line in the present case, the tribunal, taking into account the jurisprudence of international courts and tribunals on this matter, will follow the three-stage approach, as developed in the most recent case law on the subject. Accordingly, the tribunal will proceed in the following stages. At the first stage, it will construct a provisional equidistance line, based on the geography of the parties' coasts and mathematical calculations. Once the provisional equidistance line has been drawn, it will proceed to the second stage of the process, which consists of determining whether there are any relevant circumstances requiring adjustment of the provisional equidistance line. If so, it will make an adjustment that produces an equitable result. At the third and final stage in this process, the tribunal will check whether the line, as adjusted, results in any significant disproportion between the ratio of the respective coastal lengths and the ratio of the relevant maritime areas allocated to each party.